If you're comparing Leadpages versus Instapage and wondering which one is the best landing page software for your business, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll break down both tools and give you an honest evaluation based on real-world use, so you can make the right decision. Stay tuned because at the end, I'll share a better alternative that I've personally tried, and I think you'll find it's the one that'll truly take your landing pages to the next level. Let's kick things off by talking about ease of use. Leadpages has an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it really easy for anyone to build landing pages without needing a lot of technical know-how. But when we compare this to Instapage, you start to see a difference. Instapage offers a slightly more advanced editor with a cleaner UI and a wider variety of customization options. However, the learning curve is a bit steeper for beginners. If you're someone who's new to landing page builders, Leadpages will likely be more your speed. Next, let's dive into templates. Leadpages comes with a good number of pre-designed templates, optimized for conversions, so you're not starting from scratch. They're decent, but when we look at Instapage, their template library is more extensive and tends to be more polished. Instapage is geared towards marketers who want high-end design flexibility. But here's the catch: while the templates are better, they are locked behind higher pricing plans, so keep that in mind when budgeting. Now, let's talk about A/B testing. Both Leadpages and Instapage offer A/B testing, but Instapage takes the lead here. Their testing features are more robust, allowing you to test a variety of elements on your pages and gather more detailed insights. Leadpages A/B testing is available on their higher tier plans, but it's not as flexible or as advanced as Instapage. The fourth thing to consider is integration. Leadpages integrates with a variety of third-party tools like email marketing platforms, CRMs, and payment gateways. It's a solid tool for getting your landing page to work within your existing tech stack. Instapage also supports many integrations, but it's particularly strong when it comes to integration with enterprise-level systems. If you're using advanced marketing tools or need deep integration with CRM platforms like Salesforce, Instapage offers that level of support more comprehensively. Next, let's look at pricing. Leadpages is generally cheaper and offers a lower entry-level price, which makes it ideal for smaller businesses or those just starting out. Instapage, on the other hand, can get quite expensive, especially when you need access to all its premium features. So, if budget is a major factor for you, Leadpages may be the better option initially, but keep in mind you might eventually outgrow it as your needs become more advanced. Lastly, let's talk about support. Both platforms offer support, but Instapage is known for its high-quality customer service, with 24/7 live chat support and dedicated account managers for higher-tier customers. Leadpages support is good, but it doesn't quite match the level of personalized service that Instapage offers, especially if you're on their lower-tier plans. Both Leadpages and Instapage are great landing page builders, but after using both extensively, I've found that there's a better alternative out there, especially if your goal is to build high-converting landing pages quickly and efficiently. If you want to take advantage of a better tool with more flexibility, better templates, and advanced features, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while Leadpages and Instapage each have their strengths, the tool I recommend will give you the best of both worlds and elevate your landing page game. Don't forget to grab that exclusive offer and start building pages that convert today.